Hey there guys, it's the Blue Bandit here, and this will be the last time I will introduce myself as the Blue Bandit because I have finally planned to rebrand my channel. So from now on, I'll be naming the channel as simply Bornite, or maybe I can just simply add Bornite the Blue Bandit. But for now, or starting from today, my channel will be called Bornite, just simply Bornite, and I will be referring myself as Bornite. So to cut the story short, I thought about this for a while because I just don't like referring to myself as some channel with no proper name. So I'll just simply calling myself the Bornite or something like that. I'll be still thinking about what other other names that I can add up besides that, like for example the gaming Burnight, the Burnight's gaming channel, or just simply Burnight. But I'll be sticking to the latter, the Burnight one, just to make it simple. So starting from now on, I'll be stepping away, or distancing myself away from the Blue Bandit as my name, and I'll be restarting the channel as Bornite from now on. So what came in my mind about this sudden change? Well, I already told you. I just don't like to be referred as the channel with no name, with no proper name at least. So the next things that you may ask, what will be the changes about this rebrand, or what will be the significant effects of it from my channel? So there's nothing much that's gonna happen. Aside from that, I'll be having a proper upload schedule from now on, aside from the previous one where I upload videos just whenever I feel like it. But from here on out, I will be uploading videos with the proper scheduling that I have made. Since I can't make any community posts for now, I'll just simply upload videos I will just simply tell you that I will be uploading videos every weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Depends. It really depends. But it's going to be at least 2 times a week, but it's always going to be weekends. But we'll see how will things go from here. The next thing, what will be the changes in my channel? No, nothing much really aside from the game. The name. Maybe the changes will be the content that I will be uploading, but I don't. No, not the content. I don't want to change the way I upload videos. I will still stick to the gaming content that I'll be uploading, but I will be trying my best to upload different kinds of videos. I don't want to be stuck with just one game, or maybe, just maybe I will be doing a I know, like a series of some sort. Like I'll be uploading one video about one specific game per episode, or like my previous one, my Minecraft series. And also, before you ask, or just to save the question, I'll be restarting my Minecraft series because I've changed the security of my phone, and I accidentally hit factory reset, so I pretty much lost everything. That's why I also haven't uploaded in like weeks now, I guess. So I apologize for my sudden lack of content, sudden lack of uploads. It's just that, yeah, that thing happened, and also life has been becoming hectic as usual. I'm busy in work. I mean, I've been working in a 8-hour job, a brutal 8-hour job with with no breaks and constant straight duties. Additional 8 hours, like one whole day for me. So I apologize if I lack videos constantly, but I promise to make up for it by making some plans for my constant uploads from now on. I mean, as my promise to the Burnight channel and to all of you guys, to my audience. So I guess that's pretty much it for now in this video. I just informed you all about my plans, about the certain plans that I had. So please let me know your thoughts. Comment it down below in the comment section. Uh, Please don't always forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. I hope you still support me even after my channel rebrand. So I guess that's pretty much it in this video. I will be talking to you all later. Maybe I will upload another update whenever I feel like it. So I guess that's pretty much it for now. So please take care of yourselves and stay safe, everyone. Peace.